Oh, there's a lot of snow.
Oh my goodness, look at all that snow. Oh my. Let's unlock the door so we can get back in. Woo.
Whoa! It almost fell. Whoa!
And these are our steps. Wow. Why don't you go get the 2 sleds up there? Goodness, look at all this. Watch out for the thing. I don't even know if we can find it now. Whew, can't see anything. Oh my goodness, look at this. I need to get a ruler. I was trying to get up the stairs. So it's almost covered the tires. That's so crazy. Just like a big white blob. Can you see how deep that is? Alright, come on. I hope my boots aren't they're getting cold. So it makes me feel like I'm getting wet. Okay. So it's not too cold. Well, I guess I have enough clothes on. I'm in this big suit. Noah's got his suit on. Ooh, it's hard to walk out here. Ooh. Don't walk on the path. How to successfully make a snow path. You can't even see it, but you have to push it down with your sled numerous times to make the impression. Whew. The round ones, I almost fell, are the best. You ready?
Yes.
All right. Hold on, I gotta get my leg up. 1, 2, 3.
That's what I'm talking about.
And then you cannot walk on the path. That's our backyard. Isn't it beautiful? Oh! Oh no! Don't walk on it! You messed it up, buddy. Get off of it! Roll off! Roll off! You're gonna mess it up. Don't get on it. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You're going a little bit further each time. It's hard work, isn't it? Alright, you ready?
Ready.
Oh, let me stand up. 1, 2, 3.
I'm going backwards. Oh!
because we're getting hungry. Are you hungry? Hungry? Yeah, Hannah's eating peanut butter off of a spoon. She loves peanut butter. Give me a sad face. So I am making these peanut butter bars, which I have done a recipe for. Yes, I will link it below. And Matt is outside. Oh, let me show you. Trying to get the driveway cleared out, so hopefully he'll be able to go to work on Monday, which everybody's saying the roads are good. Hannah. Laugh, Hannah. Do it. You're so funny. There's Matthew. All right, Hannah, laugh. Laugh it. Laugh, Noah.
She wants to get on the other.
Laugh.
What's this? Watch.
No, I want her to hear a fake laugh.
A fake?
No, just laugh. Just...
She won't do it. What's this? Watch this, Mommy.
Careful.
Baby laughed, Mommy. That was a fake laugh.
That wasn't a fake laugh. She was really laughing.
Watch. Watch this.
Careful.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Whee! Anna likes having fun. Come here, Anna.
Oh, I gotta fix those curtains.
Oh.
What are you doing down there?
She's laying down so she can sleep.
Are you ready to go sleep?
No, she went.
We'll go night night.
She's not tired. She doesn't. Why?
Now do the spider.
No.
Do the itsy bitsy spider.
Okay, can you teach me how to do this? But I can't talk about it.
Hey.
Ready, Mike? Can you help me? Okay, I'll do it with my legs. So the itsy bitsy song. So I'm the itsy bitsy spider. Ready? Say it like.
Sit down. You gonna do it, Hannah? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain. You're not doing it. Do the itsy bitsy spider.
Oh, now we have to start over again. Okay, let's try it again. And action. What? We're trying to make a movie.
What movie are we making?
And action. The itsy bitsy spider. Ready and action.
Start it.
The itsy bitsy spider. Wait, you're supposed to say it.
Hannah's doing it.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the
Hannah.
Cheese.
Oh, they're so cute. Give Noah a kiss. Mwah. Oh, that's so sweet.
Ew, that's disgusting.
That was so sweet.
Cheese.
She loves you.
I know.